My computer is going so slow.
Yeah, these computers are ancient. Even my web browser is a RAM-eating monster. What is that?
It's the ram-eating monster. It's destroying our business.
We should really listen to our IT provider and go ahead and upgrade our equipment.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, you guys were right. It's destroying everything. Okay, thanks. They're on their way.
Good.
Well, guys, all is well.
I mean, it did eat Ryan pretty horrifically, and I might be scarred and have lasting trauma.
But I can open up a lot of tabs on my browser now.
You can open up a lot of tabs. Man, work is gonna be great.
Yes.